Alright, here's another one of my mill engines. 3-inch bore, 4-inch stroke. It has no alternator or anything on it. If somebody wants to put their own on, that's available to them. It's 34 inches long, 24 inches wide, and 20 inches tall. Has a really nice Swift oiler. Antique. Works great, it's like new. Pull-down valves are right here. They're kind of hot though right now because I've been running it. See if I can open them up a little bit here with a wrench. See that water coming out of there? I'm going to run it here. I'm going to drain the water out of it, make sure there's no water in it. Close those off and turn on. Okay, then also get the crank top dead center or bottom dead center for it to start. Typical on steam engines. My cable is not the stablest. I've just got the exhaust running down here, or you can run it up the stack of a boiler too. Real smooth running engine. Again, 3-inch bore, 4-inch stroke. Running off one of my 20-inch boilers that you can also buy from me. I'll have it on eBay for sale. There's a lot of grease points and oil points on the eccentric right here. And then on the drivers, the pillow block bearings here and here. There's oil points here for the guide. This is the old style cross-slide guide here. The American way of building them. That's what's really cool about this. It's very difficult to machine all of that and keep it all concentric. It takes hours. And your setup has to be perfect for it to all line up. There's another check valve here in the front. Beautiful engine, 34 inches long. If you want this engine, give me a call. My number is 206-948-0770. My name is Ross, and my email address is anacortesteam@gmail.com. That's anacortesteam@gmail.com. All one word. And you can also purchase this boiler. It's available right now on eBay. This one has an electric water pump on it. Beautiful. It works great. No more pumping. Just turn it on and fill her up. That's about it. Thanks for watching.